Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable showing reminders in Siri Search, so the one right here on iPhone. Today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do first is once you have it enabled, so let's go to Siri Search and tap reminders. Now I have this option enabled, so as you can see the Siri Search can find reminders right here. So let's go to the settings right now, swipe down, tap on the reminders, then go to Siri Search, and here just disable showing up in search. Once the button is gray, it means that it is disabled. So now search for the same. As you can see now, it cannot find me the reminders. The Siri Search can find me the settings of reminders, but that's not what I'm looking for. So now disable showing, now enabled. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!